Sandra Smith, your Las Vegas realtor. Does your home inspector do this? Take a look at how Ben Grove of Spectrum Inspection Group does a roof inspection with a drone. How cool is that?
Okay, here we go.
Was that incredible or what? Yes, Ben actually did an inspection of the roof without trampling all over the roof, without disturbing any of the tiles or breaking anything, via using a drone to check and make sure everything was intact. If you'd like to have this type of inspection done for you, please don't hesitate to give me a call at 702-472-8000